Obina kana say asem no aye critical. Elder comedian so enya pai. Bonohene any Johnnie Hughes, NDC journalist Johnnie Hughes, abe classmate Mahama. Efa na nsiam ene ba ye. Ese fire service for any police for na ye recruit omu for from no omu be ko training no. Omu feeding o man kasre be feed omu for the 6 months training omu kwa kwaje no. Omu an be feed omu aban niska ye ntimi feed omu te krache wu niska be feed omu a continue fie. No. Media na so omu Mahama abe clash. Na fe on say na $100 as at air form. Man, because the Bank of Ghana are pumping billions of dollars. Akura city nimo enoma dollar air bafom. Ghana foreigners abe class Mahama on that. I Penyah block media. Mess was any demo. Over like video no other man. But subscribe button. Number click the notification icon of latest update. Number to the wide and the mama. Ever comment section. Mess us over so I no share video for so any be ashe. Ejeni na yanke bi shemo. Your media is one and see and a pop upset. Recruitment as that abai say yefa, fire service, police need soldiers for be fabi. Now eno ne ba ya. There's a follow-up statement. I can humbi. Follow-up statement no echire say, hey, obi biara utiri be ye. Han ne be to so. O to forms han ne be to so. Na ye be fa say now no you are lucky you are being recruited. It will be call for training. Now, if you have not me pass it out here, what about as either police officer, military man, another firefighter, and now any security personnel biano. I want to say, Master, I want me feed him more. I want me feed him until 6 months journey, no 6 months of continue, you don't want him. Mamma Pimbutumska, infinity. Now, I know, Anna Bonohene, any Johnnie Hughes, also Johnnie Hughes, or your NDC journalist, media general, the only move TV3 for, would defend Mahama Boroso. But Johnnie Hughes David, I do idea. Dabe ni eduru ha. Dabe ya hai. Dabe ni eduru ha. Dabe.
My country. After buying my own forms and going to do my own medicals with my own money and coming now for training to come and serve the nation, I have to now pay money to subsidize my feeding. I don't understand. Maybe the interior minister has some answer to give us, or the chief fire officer has some answers to give us, because I don't understand. Was there no financial clearance before training began? I'm asking the question, was there no financial clearance before any form of training began? And if there was financial clearance before any form of training began, why are the people being made to pay or subsidize their monies for feeding, for their own training that will benefit all of us? When did this become fashionable? I'm asking simple questions. Is the country so broke that we cannot now spend money to train officers and feed them and accommodate them so they can have their peace of mind to take the regimental training that will be given to them so that they can be well-baked and not half-baked to come and serve us? Are we now saying that we cannot do that?
Kasa wobi ko soldier for ntete bia training school no aba outa wo be so man no wobi ko police for ntete bia no aba ye police ni a wo be police yan wo bobo ye ho ban national fire service wobi ko ntete bia no aba wo be so yen krata ba bonten de say omo ko training o ma pass out o ma ba out no yes o muntua 9,000. Hey. Allegedly. Hey. Krata ba bonten no. So call officers course training no, cadet training no, one training no. Yes, omuntua 9,000 Ghana cedis.
Hey, Era Mahama.
And to Ghana here ya may say there wobi kwa kwagentete ya no abesoma man no sa national fire service ni sa Ghana police ni sa soldier ni wo ko training a wono na yema on kanka ho wanya hwiama wase ebonika
Johnnie akasa
wase wanya hwiama no wo abonika wase abonokro no wase aka ho asamunu ba na ekoso okroma ye won interior minister okroma
etumpan
muntaka okroma Lieutenant Namabonte no bisa interior minister say wo hu wa kenkan
etumpan
anamontu ba na wo tu afa ho
Johnnie akasa
chief fire officer Mawusi. Mame mawusi. Bisani sa letter no hu ana. Aye no kra from ho ana. Na from ho ade ntia sa letter na ba bonten.
Ne ka na da ho no.
Ni anyansam trofo binom. Mempese mebodin. Johnnie Hughes nom ne Captain Smart nom mamenko.
Wow.
Akraba mo ncha me. Johnnie Hughes no Captain Smart no mo defend it, no mo apportion blame. Emma finance director, and operations director, operations director me ya no, in charge of finance me ya no, o me ide no. Kobisa Muntaka, interior minister.
Wow.
Kobisa Mawusi. Mame Mawusi, Kobisa no. Chief fire officer. Bisan se den tia sa letter no mo troye.
Ne ka na da ho no.
Na ba ni say na sa letter no correct me ba bonten and na be public domain obi a timi kinka bie
Etumpan.
hanum go ase ba na NDC aban o mu gu om ho a amamu osu sei
Hwene akasa.
obi ba cotton forms wa apply medicals wo tua the SOA bia waye aban ne se me de wo call training ntetiye na wa besom o man no nipa no koye ntetiye ni wie ye ba ya wo se mobile na didi amudidi ya ba bia modida ya no ma expand ye no mabo ye ka o ma ye ni sika enti obi atua 9,000 Ghana cedis old currency 90 million amko pasa scan way what to be that na nya ye na se ye nya gold board am gold board e ma ye sika ye se nya gold board ni ma ye sika
Wait.
and it's a gold board in my sika near the nkran kwose ye kotreni mo masom yen eja to baabi na se sabe previous e hu hwi na nya yi a yemfra fire service for na sa nkran yi on be rescue am life yi sabe ye se abeji o mo se sika yi a ne yakwa na se ye bai
Etumpan.
fire tenders na ebi ni krom ha fire tenders say eja to baabi yemfa fire for ka yi popping yemfa nkwa nya bi
Wow.
fire service na no Christ kanim sa abana broki abano sabe sikanim sa abani ni sika o de be yadwuma won kan no krankyere Ghana for won pa Ghana for achow sa entra me di wo opposition no me be tena se mi hu ni sa me nya sika ni mfiri ba bia to de mo mfa nkyɛ me
Ne ka na da ho no.
na de akoso nguase a sefem a reho 13th October
Hwene akasa.
2025 and as I let an babon to me who ye.
Wait, boy.
Sir, fire service in paying for a tro. Sir, or more co training no map or more year training no. Or more de cat. And yes, I teach you a moka here better tear free or more catrium. Now, Crabber, or more quiet to extreme side or my council number. Any baby or we are Juan or Mudin in Arno and one cat so. Then crasses some benny.
You can't wear so very set your mind.
Abodam Sambeni. But then you cry, yes, sir.
You can't wear so very set your mind.
Fire service for me security personnel. To say soldiers for a security personnel.
Hwene akasa.
Police boy security personnel. No.
Hwene akasa.
Fire service for so or me security personnel. And to be about whole by no, the bank accounts in Yadi at Twabonting.
Wait.
And yes, someone won't be didi. Yeah, training no, won't be didi. Now, you're training about when you're ready, so before be some fire service in here. Sabi, your family say you didn't go training.
Wow.
About when you're ready. Say, before be fire service in here. You didn't go training. Answer that you will be back training no. Near making sure say your Timmy and your sika, your budget your musica to war. Some crofo we had your muko training. So me 1,000, or me 2,000, or me 3,000, or me 5,000, or more pass it out. You bet to make your muka.
Ne ka na da ho no.
Because me ni say abaya sabi onim nyansa. Obeka obi do obi ko training, my ready. My men kwatete me tetewo a me before adwum wi asika ne won so me do ko training. Na dia aban no na dwen wo fam.
Adwen kase so da ya adwen ke 20.
Abaya omunim nyansa, abaya wo nyansa no sabi. One for being ko training say me do ko training say world cup here qualify. Now so the blaster for ko. Aban majete hwe. Wo de omo ko so de omo ko sen.
Ne ka na da ho no.
Enti abani ni ska. Sa training no de omo ko ye den.
Hwene akasa.
Ni enyam payinforte Ghana National Fire Service ni enye interior minister na krata we kra nya krata nke ese babonten
ne ka na da hɔ no
Akwaba krata kita me no enya krata ese ba bonten
etumpan
si ebu yan ho ne mama mu a krata no eni kwa se ba bonten mo bi kra kinka bi so krata ne nam social media
adwin kɛseɛ so da ya adwin keto anti aseɛ
enti kacha mu ntaka interior minister die enti o mu ntwa 9,000 no o metere
etumpan
Say enipa 6 months onya adwuma bia tio 6 months onya adwuma o obeye training eti da wenye sika bi out of form say afa na 6 months no o meye adwuma bia o training na o beje obeye dan asa feed no na buza na nsia mu and pop up on the internet as a Bank of Ghana e be injected $1.15 billion as a odi kwa Ghana titi sika ni mu a that time we that injection no na dollar eda 12.65 81.15 times 12.65 na say 14.5 billion Ghana cedis odi sika we ekwa Ghana titi sika ni mu a 145 trillion ya Bank of Ghana e pump fiscal we akọ ura dollar ni mo say the be ya dollar no e be perform cedi be nya hoode ne over dollar mewa yenye sika tua na SS4 ka sika we ebie factory ebie factories ebie enya factory ebie factories e chechire oman $1 billion esesa oman shebere tua nurses tua teachers tua nipa berebe ka man sesa kura kan bibile kwa ye nnwuma wetima sisi hospitals sisi adan bebre ogman ni mu ama oman no emu betwe kakra but ye blows ka we nyina e de call forest market ye see e chi dollar che say Ghana there oh debi Ghana there I don't know what form papa I don't know what form say na say kwa chi dollar say dollar be 1:1 next still obi nya adwuma nya sika gunu botoma nyansa be pa no dollar ko fom nyansa be ni wo mu nyansa be pa ni wo adasem grade say from May to June, July, August, we are pumping billions of dollars. Echo gum. We are pumping billions of dollars. Echo gum. IMF ever my warning. And a dollar sa cost. When si kana pumping good order, yam fa nyanya za semno. Yam fa nyu me bi na da no. Si kana shekwa. Ehye nyansa bia mbemu. Ehye kwa nyansa bia nim. Ebia mu na yese ya no. Na na ko media ne se busua. Mo be expose Mahama. Just say dollar never from the unforget kwa na or say di o man no abro.
Sanity, me catch you say Ghana is a place of concert party people. I now say me boy because economies be catch you say where are we in a continental job. Esoro honom no. CD currency rate na da no. And dollar na 10 cedis, pounds 14 cedis, and euros 12 cedis. And be a coincidence go actually. But I won't say about from say no. Impact na ne dia wo man nim e de ba de na be ya mo man ye nyina ye nim se o man pani Mahama ali march ho e be pem be pem o mo di $4 billion ene coins e hyemu ma e ye siri ni nya hoden na e de ba de na ye ma wo man no sika ni ko waste kwa every say Bank of Ghana be ka say de mo ye no mo say economy mu nya o mu je mu ani hu ya ne say dollar ne number bi pounds ne number bi wa mfa mi adwuma $4 billion wa say ne kwa me no ka say na anu ya be 4 days ni and on my side for Frabetu say Bank of Ghana see there be or send $1.1 billion and the coins. Aba be shima masidi nenya hode ampa wadi be share mo within 3 days and na Friday me no ka say and rating the dasolo no dollar na 10 cedis coins pounds say sikana be form come good. Now the question is what na Ghana wanna use say sikana wa e de na be bro unyamfa so baby kwa Ghana you need dollars you need pounds you need nemo the best thing and senka say sika kese ya o mampani Mahama mo say ne say ye ma dollar na ye che dollar na gina ho no kamu nfa mi adwuma say even krempo padi ya o chama school fu empo and $1 billion beti me be factory and company fa say sika ni be factory na ka de cedis ni nkosoro ebi ni benya adwuma ye because dey mo ye mfa so bi eni so. At the end of the day, I just saw Babu China was a funny man. Enti bana when a bear from a dear body and a baby. And for so be anyone by Basu. Tia the Empire I am and say, why any saying in the Monte Masu? Because a bema yen yamum wabuchi, when Pomua I woman because Oman Penny as says Sicano, Tini Pano, on to me Fasica and Meadow Beam. If it's a Organa one my day, a one my sanity, but I bet you why you mediating. The Konaka media policy and manage way, and now no call China or some way zero tariff trade. What you say, Oko Fenimo, China, and Yama Bibia, China for so the name Qua, Sano, and no best. Then yes, I would one man will be sick as a may family sick at the Ashimna, near Missika Mania Dahono, may find the assess as he can, not Sikana, Mimi Sikanania, or there were no so. No matter me chrome one way in Fatobana was. And for so be any so. But I bet you what you say, Sa me the sika me the dollar, she see him, I'm a city nanya, or the $10, my any say my is it necessary? As you can obey me, the beer Juma will be any beer. Obey me, beer Juma will be a even tomato factory, Amoyan Palui, Quamu Pescadia, and Coquan Kittimu Pescadia. Big pushing in as if for mu Pescadia. Menuka say free SHS and Qualay, Maya Qualabia day. Because Musimu Yesika and taught a man Qualani. Maya Qualabia day and Qualani in a day. It is the first Nenipa and fast 100 and a court boardia, say Senipa or Bonnie and Nipa 20. Now, what time says he can't have the Shemama, see the Vienna, make a car back as a mediator. But I bet you, do you think is it necessary? Say, oh, buying a better answer here, because first he come at a better dollar. Next, he can we make as I by November. A better cost will be just $1 billion. If so, use $4 billion, it take 5 months. If you weigh $1 billion, by November ending December. Ebesa koso unless asat odan the sikafu frobishim betre wadwene enko ene mamedi atem ne ani abi ko mine ye tete na mum e was say the right thing at the right time tre wadwene enko mamedi atem.
Good morning. From time to time I've said that when there are events that needs me commenting, I'll do these videos and educate Ghanaians on the happenings that I think that there should be better explanation. There is a lot going on around the world of financing, and as you guys know, the Americas and all the other central banks are very jittery. That's why gold price is high. But what is happening in Ghana, our finances are not very good. I've told people that, look, in the last 9-10 months, the NDC, forcing as Minister of Finance, is creating more problems than he is solving. We saw the Bank of Ghana monetary policy document that tells us that the Ministry of Finance were short of his expenditure. Now, if you do a budget and says that I'm going to spend X amount and you are short of spending that money, it's not fiscal discipline. Because let me explain. If you basically have a company and you do your annual budget for the year, and you ask all the other departments to bring their input, what you need for your manufacturing to now produce a certain amount of goods, then your manufacturing department, your production, your sales, everybody brings their budget. And you say, okay, this year, this is my budget. Then when you are 7 months into the year, you are 14.1% short of your expenditure. You don't expect production to be basically the same, because it means that you are not releasing money to the other departments. Now, from the Bank of Ghana document, we also saw that the Ministry of Finance is short of 21.5 billion Ghana cedis. So the Minister of Finance is not releasing money to the other sectors. He has not released about 10 billion to capital expenditure. A lot, the only money that he's keeping up, which he doesn't want the problem of the workers, so he's paying salaries. But all other departments, agencies, statutory payments, forcing is not releasing money. That is why he is 21.5 billion short. Now, it can be fiscal discipline because you did a budget and said you're going to spend this amount. If you are not able to spend that amount, it's clearly because you cannot raise the money to spend it. And that is purely because of that dollar to cedi thing that they did. Today, the other bigger problem that the government has is to do with cocoa. Cocoa board is sweating. Look, when the minister announced the producer buying price, the buying for the season 2025 in August 4th, the statement they made was that they were putting the cocoa at $5,040, which was translating at the time using 10.4 to the dollar at 51,660. And at the time, they said that that is 70% of the FOB price of 7,200. At that time, the world market price of cocoa was high. Beginning of the year, I think around March, April, cocoa was in the world market price was around $11,000 per ton. Today, cocoa has dropped in the international price to 5,939. 5,939. So what was, even at the time they set the produce buying price this year, and they said that it was 70% of FOB, at the time cocoa was, as they put it, 7,200, and this is on the Ministry of Finance website. Okay, today at cocoa at 5,939, if they pay, and they bear in mind a couple of weeks ago they come and increase it to 58,000, which translates to 5,668. So if today the government is to use the same dollar, 10.4, which is no more, it's no more 10.4, but let's assume the government used 10.4, which they used in August 4th when they did the calculation, the government would be paying about 95%, not 70% of FOB. The government will be paying 95% of FOB to the farmer. It means that the cocoa board only has 5% to work. That's the problem. So the reason, in one hand, everybody is saying that our government is doing well, dollar is coming down. Internal workings of government is worried, because now, even if dollar goes to 12, let's use 12, right? If the dollar is at 12 to the cedi, they only achieve, at the current cocoa price in the world market, they only achieve 81% or 81.3% of FOB. Normally, with the expenditure that cocoa board has to now buy the cocoa, store the cocoa, and all the logistics, they need more than 30%. But as we speak, if you are using 12 cedis to the dollar, cocoa board is only getting 81%, which is a big problem. So don't let anybody be fooled when people are saying that, oh, Bank of Ghana on one side is injecting cedis to bring the dollar down. If the dollar go past 12 cedis, cocoa board will be in problems, because the current price of cocoa on the world market is dropping. And when the world market price of cocoa drop any further than the 5,900 at the current rate of the cedi to the dollar, cocoa board will have a problem. So look, all is not good. We have serious challenges in the finance sector. Cocoa, which is one of our biggest earner, is having this issue. And the other areas, and this 21.5 billion that Atuforsen is not spending, is as a result of him not getting that revenue, because again, the dollar to the cedi. Because bear in mind, government is also an earner. The port revenues and all the stuff, the export of gold, the export of the export of crude oil, all those things are used by our own internal exchange rate to determine what Ghana gets. So if the cedi is stronger, it means the government gets less money. So if we export crude at 10.4, we will get less money than if we export crude at 12. So this hole, which is about 21 billion in the government expenditure, is because of the dollar to the cedi. So look, they have their problems, and let not anybody be fooled that this cedi to the dollar appreciating the cedi to 10.4 and Bank of Ghana injecting money is the way to go. For me, I've always said that the dollar is between 12 and 13 cedis. For me, that's a comfortable zone. For anytime you try to artificially appreciate your currency, it becomes a problem. And that is the problem today that we all have to look out for. Let's keep our eye on it. Next month, there's going to be the budget that's going to be read, and we expect that we'll basically see a bigger picture of the problems that the Ministry of Finance is having. Thank you very much.
Chirawa Jemame, comment section. I Penyah Media.